In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Freshbooks. Whether you're a business owner looking to maintain an organized account of your finances or an entrepreneur aiming to have a comprehensive view of your financial landscape, being able to export data from Freshbooks can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Freshbooks account. Once you're in, look towards the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to need to click on the Reports tab. This section is essentially your gateway to a multitude of insights about your business finances. Freshbooks provides a variety of reports, each designed to give you a comprehensive view of different aspects of your business. Now, once you're on the Reports page, you need to generate the specific report you require. This could range anywhere from a revenue by client report to an expenses report. Take a moment to consider what data you need to export. Keep in mind that selecting the correct report streamlines finding and later analyzing the information you need, so it's well worth taking the time. After you've chosen and generated your desired report, you'll see it open up on your screen. Now, we need to focus on the top right corner of the page. You should be able to locate the More Actions menu. This menu is a handy feature that allows you to perform various actions, and it's crucial for our next step. Once you click on More Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select either Export for Excel or Export as CSV. The choice between these two options depends on how you plan on using the data. For instance, if you're planning to perform further analysis or create complex graphs, exporting as an Excel file might be your best bet due to its versatility in handling data. Alternatively, if you just want a straightforward, easily shareable spreadsheet, CSV is a simple and effective format. Selecting either of these options will initiate the download of the file. Depending on your browser settings, you might need to confirm the download or choose a save location. Once your download is complete, you can open it up with your preferred spreadsheet application to view and analyze your data. And there you have it. Exporting data from Freshbooks is as simple as that. Having this kind of access to your financial data can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to garner insights and make informed decisions for your business. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out more of our content, where we delve into additional tips and tricks for making the most of Freshbooks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.